Good morning, class, and welcome to week 5. Week 5 is a little busy, so please make sure you watch this video thoroughly. First of all, you'll find the video here, which you're watching. The research paper requirements are here, and this research paper, you can work with another person or 2 people, a maximum of 3 students per group. I made this here a Find a Research Group Partner. I made a discussion board because if you don't know any students in the class, maybe you want to click reply and say looking for a partner for research essay, and the research essay can be on any topic that you want. After you look at the, well, let me go back there. If you look at the prompt here, the due dates, it's due Wednesday, January 30th. Your essay can be any topic that you want, but check with me. I don't want people doing abortion. It's just overdone. And if you do a paper, please stay away from using religious reasons as proof, because remember your audience. If you're a Christian, your Christian references may not follow Jewish, Islamic, so try to stay away from religious. You can bring it in as a, as a portion, but don't base your whole argument on religion because that could fall apart. Essay requirements, it has to be at least 8 pages long. Please have at least 8 in-text citations. What I mean by that is 8 quotes within the paper or paraphrases, whatever you want to use there. However, I'm only asking for 6 different sources in the works cited page. So if you use 6, maybe you'll quote twice or 3 times out of one of the 6. However, you do need 8 in-text citations. And then here's the essay format. Do whatever you want. I tend to write, like my daughter and I, we just wrote her English essay for her 11th grade, which she got 100 on. Go figure. She wrote it. I just edited and revised. But maybe your intro, your body paragraphs, pro, and then maybe your con, and then you oppose it. Or maybe you want to do pro, con. It's up to you. But remember, this is an argumentative research paper, and therefore you must bring in the opposing views and refute it. Spin it back to your side. Okay, so that's that. Look over that. And again, you can do this in a group if you'd like. I think I've typed that there somewhere, but I'm telling you anyway. You can be done in a group. Let me go back to the module. Use the discussion board here if you need to find a partner, or you may know someone who's in class, but you may know them in person. That's fine. But just email me. Let me know who you're working with and what the topic is, because I have to approve that. Remember, maximum of 3 people. When you're finished with the research paper, it will go here. It will be submitted here. Only 1 person has to hand it in if you're working with 3 or 2. Again, you can work alone. The writing assignment here, the final essay prompt is here. Now what happens is I think I may open this earlier, but if you look here, it says I'm going to open this prompt on Thursday morning, January 31st, and then you'll have 2 days to work on the final essay. It's only a 5-paragraph final essay. So 2 days would be good, and you only need to have 2 articles. And I think I'm just going to tell you the prompt now, and if you want to start, go ahead. But I will have the official prompt up on Thursday, January 31st. But my point is, would you recommend online classes or face-to-face? Which do you prefer? And then you have to support that. So that's that. You can start working on that ahead of time if you wish. But I will have the official prompt up here on Thursday, January 31st, which will give you 2 days to write the article. Let me go back to the module. So basically you have your research papers due Wednesday of the last week, and then your final essays due Friday of the last week. Quizzes, there's 1 quiz. The discussion board is really not a discussion board. It's more of just your initial post. So you're going to write your initial post, send it to me. You will not be posting it in a discussion board, and you will not be doing replies or responses to any students. You're going to be too busy. But this is just an overall, do you think Maya Angelou was free from her cage at the end of the novel? The prompt is there. It's in more detail. Go ahead and read it. And there are 2 poems you have to read along with that, which are embedded in here as well. And then the survey is worth 0 points, and it's anonymous. I want your feedback, because that'll make me a better teacher. The last thing I want to say is, you guys have a lot of work to do. And I play pickleball a lot, so I have a lot of pickleball tournaments coming. But during the week, I'm free. The weekends, no. So meet with me. Text me. Say, Mr. Howell, let's meet on Zoom I'll revise the papers with you. No problem. Make sure that you're using NetTutor. You can send your papers to NetTutor as many times as you want. If you don't know how to use NetTutor, there's a video on NetTutor in the helpful video resources. I highly recommend it. Okay everyone, good luck. And if you need any help, I'm here for you.